So I want to replace this, not that, but the whole black insulation thing that goes around that copper pipe from the AC unit. Because of this reason. I was told it doesn't really need to be replaced, it's still good, but I wanted to do it because I know eventually it would need to be done, and it gives me something to do. There's many projects around the house to do, but this is one of the cheaper ones. Hopefully this cheap repair or replacement doesn't cost me in the long run when some HVAC person sees this and say, you just caused yourself a lot of problems. So when I get to the bottom, looks like they use some electrical tape to keep it together or attached. Dry rotted insulation foam. Is insulation foam considered dry rotted when it's dried out? Whatever that's called. Looks pretty bad here, but I have to remove this screw to get this little decorative flange or whatever you want to call it that's supposed to go around the pipe to make it look better, but looks like it's too small for this. Notice how those copper pipes are too close together, so it's going to make it kind of hard to put that other new insulation on there because it kind of butts up. I'm assuming that's why the old one just went on top of both. But I'll try to just put it on the main pipe and then overlap some on the other one towards the end. So this new foam, or whatever you want to call it, I think they said it's like some type of rubber insulation foam. It has this, adhesive that I can use to keep it together. But I plan on wrapping it with some UV tape to protect that rubber from the sun. Or at least that's what I was told it's for, and it would help for that reason. Now you can see how it's pinching against that other copper pipe, not allowing me to push it all the way up. Plus it's butting against the wall of the house. But I just decide to put it on there and worry about the top later, as far as putting some of that insulation on it to kind of patch it up and use that tape to kind of hold everything together. So I'll just speed it up from here and knock that out. So here's the tape that I was told to wrap it with. That gives it that UV protection. And I guess it was like an extra layer of insulation. So this is what I have so far. It's alright, but that pipe that's kind of close to it makes everything take a while. But here we are with the full complete. I think I want to put some caulking in some of these holes. Keep insects out. Now let's see how this goes. As long as I don't notice anything, everything is great.